Lean Law's goal is to augment the classic financial reports that you would expect to see in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks Online, you'll see your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your statement of cash flows, and other classic business reports. Lean Law doesn't want to replicate that. Rather, Lean Law fills in the gaps of the legal reporting. Our reports are broken into 3 areas: billable reports, those reports that are ready to be put on an invoice; revenue reports, reporting on what was billed and collected; and other legal-specific reports like trust accounting and timekeeper productivity. Let's start with the Ready to Bill Work in Progress report, or WIP report. You can see here in all our Lean Law reports, there are a few standard filters: by time, by user, or responsible attorney. You can see things that have been archived or closed or still active. All Lean Law reports can be exported to Excel or printed. You can sort by clicking on different columns. In the Ready to Bill report, here are all of the matters that this attorney, David Cohen, is responsible for. Reading from the left, we see clients and matters that are active, the Ready to Bill hours, expenses, and fixed fees. Looking at the total column, David can see what he is ready to invoice for in a given month. This is live, real-time data coming from QuickBooks. Here is the receivables balance. Here is the last payment and the trust balance. This gives the attorney a snapshot of the practice so she can see at any time where the firm is trending. When you click in, you can see more details, such as all of the time entries and expenses associated with that particular matter. The Revenue by Client and Matter report shows us specifically what was billed for a particular period. You can see Jackie had $360 of billed hours and a big fixed fee of $12,000. You can see that in a very simple form, or click Show Detail to get more details of what was billed in a given period. This is the Revenue by Attorney report, which shows what was billed for this particular attorney, what was collected, and what their share was. In this example, you're looking at an automated calculation of origination, meaning an attorney brought a client into the firm and will get some form of compensation. The firm also gets a share. When David looks at his Revenue by Attorney report, he is looking at a specific time period, and he can see that in this period, he's billed $31,000. He's collected $9,000, and after contributing to the firm and to origination, his adjusted share is $8,200. When David wants to see a little bit more detail, he can look at all of the matters and the clients that contributed to his collections. He could click in even further and see the specific invoices and payments that contributed to his collection. All of this is exportable to Excel. In the trust report, you can see an immediate inventory of all the clients holding trust. You see the balance, the ready-to-bill amount, and the trust-to-WIP ratio. The 82% means that 82% of the ready-to-bill amount is covered by money in trust. So this trust-to-WIP ratio helps you understand what percentage of money owed by your client is already in trust. When you drill into any of these reports, you can see all of the transactional activity associated with this matter. You can export it to Excel or print it for the client. You have real-time visibility to everything going on inside a trust account. The next WIP report is Timekeeper Productivity. This shows all of the timekeeper's activities for non-billable hours, the billable total, and the value of those hours. You can drill in further to see a greater level of detail where the timekeepers are contributing. This can be exported to Excel. Lean Law is focused on billable reports, contingency reports, revenue reports, and other reports like matter rates, timekeeper productivity, and trust reports.